Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix not enough educated workers on city skylines. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you're facing a shortage of educated workers in city skylines, there are several steps you can take to address the issue. First, is build education facilities. Ensure that you have a sufficient number of educational buildings in your city. Place elementary schools, high schools, and universities in accessible locations to provide education opportunities for your citizens. Consider adding multiple schools to accommodate a larger population. Improve education budget. Allocate a higher budget for education in your city. Increasing the budget will attract more students and help improve the education level of your workspace. Adjust the education budget by going to the budget panel in the game's menu. Increase access to education. Make sure that educational facilities are easily accessible throughout your city. Build schools and universities in residential areas to reduce travel time for students. Use public transportation options such as buses, metros, or trams to ensure students can reach their educational institutions efficiently. Encourage residential development. Create a balance between residential, commercial, and industrial zones. Residential areas should grow in parallel with educational facilities to generate a demand for educated workers. Ensure that there is sufficient residential development and housing available to attract more educated citizens. Next, attract highly educated workers. Promote high density residential areas near universities and colleges to encourage highly educated citizens to settle in your city. These educated residents will contribute to a skilled workforce. Use policies. Implement policies that encourage education and boost the number of educated workers. Policies such as Schools Out or Education Boost can increase the effectiveness and capacity of educational buildings, attracting more students and producing more educated workers. And for the last one, monitor demand and supply. Keep an eye on the demand for educated workers in your city. If the demand is higher than the supply, consider building additional educational facilities or expanding existing ones to meet the needs of your industries and commercial areas. By following these steps, you should be able to address the shortage of educated workers in city skylines and create a well educated workforce to support the growth and development of your city. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!